Hey everyone, Mandy Lea here. So the Overland Expo in Loveland, Colorado just happened, and I am guessing a lot of you probably couldn't make it. But don't worry, I'm here to help. At this expo, I found 3 very unique cooking apparatuses that I think you'll enjoy. But if it happens to be one of those nights where you just don't feel like cooking, I'm going to follow it up with some food options that don't require cooking. Well, at least not very much. And don't worry about taking notes. I'm going to put links to every one of these products in the description below.
Hey guys, we're here at Camp Chef. We are showing off our camp ovens here. They have a built-in stove up top with 2 9,000 BTU burners on each side. And then we've got a little oven in here that runs on a 3,000 BTU burner. They fit a half-size cookie sheet in there, just the standard one you can buy at any store, or about a 10-inch skillet can go in here. You can fit 2 10-inch skillets up on top. This top folds down real easy for storage, or when you're not using it, keep the dust out. And then they all run on these green propane tanks, or you can adapt it to the big one if you're using it a lot. Sweet, we also have our pizza ovens here. We're cooking cookies at the event. Open that up and you can see right inside we've got some fresh baked chocolate M&M cookies. So these pizza ovens fit on top of the standard Camp Chef stove systems. You can just easily slide the door right on top. You can go anywhere from like 300 degrees to all the way up to 1,000, depending on what you've got in there. Come check us out at one of these events or check it out at campchef.com.
Hey guys, Brian with Tembo Tusk here. I'm sure you all know us from the Skottle. It's our well-known item in the overland industry. It's something you cook on. Seasons like cast iron, packs down flat, American made. Another thing that we have here at the expo is our stainless steel fire pit. Folds flat down into this bag right here. It comes with lava rocks, the hose. All you need to do is bring your propane tank and your friends and you'll have a good time. You can go to our website, tembotusk.com, or honestly, you can go to any of our dealers. You can find that on our website as well, and they will have that for you as well.
Hi, it's Michael from Kakadu. This is our Ozpig. So this is our basic option for the Ozpig. It's great for cooking on and also great for heating. You've got a side plate here you can use as a warmer, or you can put it on top and use it as a cooking plate. You can also use this to control your fire. You can put a Dutch oven on top and cook with your Dutch oven. And so with this being your base unit, you can accessorize on how you cook. We have our rotisserie, which we're cooking some lovely koalas at the moment. And you can also you can purchase a charcoal basket and grill plate. We also have our smoker. So our smoker just sits in on top of the basic unit, and it comes with water pan. If you close the door, control your temperature with up the top here, and then you have the cap on the top to cap off the basic unit to allow the smoke to come through. You can find us on kakaduusa.com or in dealers across the country.
Okay. Now, for those of you who have been out overlanding all day or backpacking, or if you're just feeling kind of lazy like I sometimes do, here are some super simple food options while you're out adventuring.
So we're Peak Refuel. We have freeze-dried meals you can take. You just add boiling water, put them in a bag, let them sit for 10 minutes, and then they are ready to eat. We have very high protein, typically takes less water to rehydrate than most other food brands in the industry. We use only real ingredients. We don't use any fillers. All of our meat is USDA. You can kind of see in the bag if you want. There's real biscuits in this one. This is our biscuits and gravy. It's our top seller. So you just add the boiling water to it. Like I said, let it sit for 10 minutes, and we prioritize high calorie, high protein food just to keep you really fueled, whether you're backpacking or hiking or you need a quick meal out of your rig. It works for all of it. So.
Hi, I'm Carrie Mitchell with Mountain House Adventure Meals, and we are one of the oldest freeze-drying companies providing shelf-stable meals for the trail, for the back of the car, and anything you need to do on the move. We have quite a few recipes that meet different dietary needs. We have a 30-year shelf life, so if you don't use it in a season or a couple seasons, it's still They're waiting for you to get out there. We have a lot of delicious recipes. We have pad thai, we have breakfast meals. We even have an ice cream bar in mint and vanilla. Folks, especially if they've never had a freeze-dried meal before, are surprised that it is so delicious, savory, and comforting to eat. All of our products are available on mountainhouse.com, always with free shipping to wherever you might be.
Hey everyone, this is Grillicious. Grillicious are flavor-infused grill and pan wipes. They will work on your grill, cast iron pan, a griddle if I had one here, and of course a Skottle surface. What they do is they bring flavor and non-stick to those surfaces. The wipes themselves are 100% organic, made with organic materials, made in the USA. And in addition to that, they will bring all sorts of flavors like garlic, onion, rosemary, hickory smoke, mesquite, and even habanero. Habanero is pretty spicy. What we do is we bring it to a cast iron pan and you simply wipe it into your pan like this. Once you start to cook, it will cook at over 500 degrees. Most olive oils and avocado oils burn off pretty quickly. This is going to allow you to cook everything to a higher heat and also protect the food as it's cooking. These are Grillicious grill wipes. You can find them at grilliciouswipes.com or on Instagram at Grillicious Wipes.
So we're here with Outdoor Eats, outdooreats.com. We have over 300 trail tested recipes on our website. We're also selling cookbooks here. You can tell they fit perfectly into your backpack or whatever it may be. So the idea really is just, 30 minutes or less, try to be like 10 ingredients or less. Really simple, really tasty, really flavorful, and just the goal being really to get people to eat better out there out in the wilderness.
So my name is Patrick. I'm one of the founders of On My Way Foods. Here we have our peanut butter in a pouch, just peanuts and salt, no palm oils. Here we have our strawberry jam. Strawberries is the main ingredient, cane sugar, lemon juice, and pectin. Together you get about 5 peanut butter and jellies if you buy one of each pouch. All natural, easy to take with you in your backpack, easy to take with you while you're hiking. You take some bread with you, some tortillas, you just squeeze on your bread and you have a fresh PB&J, no soggy PB&J in a Ziploc bag. Give us a follow at OMW Foods and you're on your way.
Hopefully some of these products will help inspire you to stay well fed on the road. As always, please subscribe to us and click on the links in the description below, as that really helps Kendrick and I stay on the road and creating content for you. So, here's to fueling your belly so you don't get hangry. Love and light.
I've got the steam going in my face, but
See, this is good. I like this. Normally I do it one take and I'm fine.
I speak, words will come. Okay. Here we go.